Hi everyone, Carol here, artist of Only Trees, and today I am packing up this willow tree. In fact, this is the first willow tree that I'll be packing up this year. So I thought I will record what I'm doing to give you an idea of how I go about it. First, I'm taking a thin strip of cardboard and I'm going to very loosely make the size of the diameter of this tree. And I'm going to tape it and just set it halfway down on the tree. Okay, now that I have that taken care of, I will be surrounding the base of the tree with pieces of cardboard that I have taped together. About once a month, I go and take recycled cardboard and cut it into long slices and squares, so I already have this prepared. I'm taking a small piece and cutting it because the long piece of cardboard that you see there isn't quite long enough to surround the base. Okay, looks like I'm all set. Placing that tree on the square and then taking the long piece of cardboard and surrounding the base. Oh man, I have to apologize. I really have a lousy shot here with the top view of my camera trying to show you what I'm doing. You can see half of what I'm doing because I'm holding the tree too close to me. Sorry about that, guys. Also, I'm recording this video while I'm sitting outside, so the sound you might hear a little bit windy. There you go. There's a better shot. There's a better shot of it. So yes, surrounding the base with the cardboard. Okay, so now I have the base and the cardboard all wrapped up. I did tape the opposite side of the bottom of the cardboard so the tree doesn't fall out the bottom, and I'm cutting the corners around the outside of the base. Yep, put the scissors down and always clean up your mess. You can see I have a marker in my hand, and this is something that I do quite often, is to give the customer who's going to be opening the package ideas of where they can cut when they reach that point of unpacking my tree. So I made 2 cut signs, one around the thin cardboard and one around that surrounds the base. Okay, are you ready for it? Rip. Here starts the paper. If you've seen any of my other packing up tree videos, you know that I use a lot of paper. So here we go. We're starting with the paper down at the base. Secure a little bit of that thin piece of cardboard that I put around the diameter of the willow tree. Now I'm ready for my sort quick, and this will get my fingers nice and sticky because the next step is to take small pieces of paper. And with the willow tree, what I'm going to do is roll the paper and put pieces of the rolled paper vertically down into the tree. Okay, when rolling the paper and placing it in between the branches, I don't want to shove the paper in. That way I would be moving the branches that I've created. So I'm finding the easiest way to take those branches, keep them separated. And as you can see now, I'm in a time lapse, taking the rolls of paper, putting them down into the tree, not shoving them down, and I'm getting this effect. So what's happening here is the thin piece of cardboard that I put on the diameter of the willow tree is now getting so much more support and will have no problem being stationary while inside the shipping box. Okay, I'm taking pieces of paper, wrapping around the thin cardboard, the outside diameter of the tree, putting a lid on top of the tree out of paper using bubble wrap, taping it all up, and this is how I pack up a willow tree. There is no wrong way of packing up a willow tree. This is just how I do it. And there you go, all set, ready to go into the box and ship it out. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So rolling the paper and putting it down into the branches. Yes, I did record this one outside while it was still nice out, but it looks like we're headed in for a storm. So, hey guys, have an awesome day, and we will talk soon.